English sentences for daily use. 20 sentences that we use in school. Can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? What's the homework for tonight? What's the homework for tonight? I don't understand this concept. Can you explain it again? I don't understand this concept. Can you explain it again? May I borrow a pencil? May I borrow a pencil? When is the scheduled? When is the scheduled? What is the due date for the assignment? What is the due date for the assignment? Can I have an extension on this project? Can I have an extension on this project? Who is the author of this book? Who is the author of this book? What page are we on? What page are we on? I need help with this math problem. I need help with this math problem. Can I have a tissue? Can I have a tissue? When is recess or lunch? When is recess or lunch? Can I use the computer? Can I use the computer? What are the class rules? What are the class rules? Can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question? What is the answer to number 5? What is the answer to number 5? Can I sit somewhere else? Can I sit somewhere else? May I speak to you after class? May I speak to you after class? Can I work with a partner on this assignment? Can I work with a partner on this assignment? I forgot my textbook. May I borrow one? I forgot my textbook. May I borrow one?